Notion CRM to Google Ads offline conversions. Attribution for agencies using Notion as CRM. You are running your agency pipeline in Notion. Google Ads has no idea which clients came from paid search because Notion was never built as a marketing CRM and has zero ad platform integrations. In this video, I will show you how to connect them using Make.com. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking, and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. Today we're covering Notion CRM to Google Ads offline conversions. This is a complete content gap on YouTube since almost no tracking content covers Notion at all. Freelancers, small agencies, and consultants frequently use Notion databases as a lightweight CRM because it is flexible and free. The problem is identical to any other untracked CRM leads coming from Google Ads. Deals close in Notion, and the ad platform never learns which campaigns generate revenue. Step 1. Notion database setup for client pipeline. In your Notion CRM database, you need to add specific properties. Add properties for Google Click ID, UTM source, UTM campaign, status, from new lead to won, and deal value. This structure mirrors any standard CRM pipeline. Step 2. Hidden field capture on website contact forms. Use the same GTM hidden field pattern as any lead gen funnel. Capture GCLID and UTM parameters into a 90-day first-party cookie on page load, then populate hidden fields in your form via GTM custom HTML tag. Step 3. Make.com integration. In Make.com, create a scenario to send form submissions to Notion. Trigger a webhook from your form submission and map names, emails, and query the Google Click ID and UTM parameters to your Notion properties. Step 4. Watch for status change. Since Notion has limited automation, we'll use Make.com to watch database. Use the Watch Database Items module in Make.com. Filter for when the status changes to 1 and ensure the Google Click ID property isn't empty. Step 5. Webhook to Google Ads Offline Conversion API. Continue the same scenario with the conversion upload. Map the GCLID, conversion value, and timestamp from Notion. Google Ads now receives a close deal value automatically. Step 6. Optional meta copy route. If you also capture FBCLID, add a second route in the same scenario. Filter for meta click IDs and post to the Meta Conversions API. This gives both platforms visibility into your Notion workspace wins. To test, submit a form with a test GCLID, move the status to 1 in Notion and verify the success in both Make.com and Google Ads upload. The result: you keep your Notion workflow but gain the same attribution power as expensive dedicated CRMs. It's a win for freelancers and agencies alike. If you want your Notion CRM connected to Google Ads, book a free audit, subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix the infrastructure first.